Hey everyone, it's Dr. Tamirah Leigh, and today I am at Dreamfinders Homes out in Snellville, Georgia, encouraging you to come on out and take a look. Remember, it's always a great time to buy if your money is right and you find the house that you like, and I'm sure you're going to love these luxury floor plans. Some of them even have a home theater. That's unheard of for townhouses, but this particular builder has included that kind of luxury in a townhouse. I just want you to take a look here what's in the back of me. Look at this fireplace. That makes a statement when you enter into this home. And it's not just square or rectangle built on top of rectangle, but they're very asymmetrical and they have a lot of depth to the design that he gave it. And I just want you guys to come on out and stop by and see. Again, it's Dreamfinders Homes in Snellville, right off of Scenic Highway. And if you need your financing, you're going to contact your girl here at the loan bar, and I'm going to get you financed. So maybe you can call this beauty home.